Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the ringtone to your custom one, how to set your custom ringtone as on your iPhone on iOS 26. First of all, you'll need to, of course, download the file, and I highly encourage you to actually get it from a legal source. For example, a digital download that you can get off of artist's website that you can buy and just get that. Once that's done, simply go to the files, and most probably the song is over half a minute. You'll see here once you open it in files, you can see that in my case it's 2 minutes and 26 seconds, so it's over half a minute. If it's below or exactly half a minute, you can just click on share button, then find use this ringtone, and it'll be set. But if it's in your case longer, then download GarageBand on your iPhone. I already have it downloaded, so now I'm just gonna go to like the main page here, and you'll see this screen, right? So I'm just gonna go to plus. You'll see this screen. You can select different tracks, but we don't want that. We want to go to live loops, then click on new and click on the first field here visible. Then click on loops, I think, loops. Then click on files, and now browse items for the items in Files app. Now probably in downloads you'll see it somewhere, so let's select the right file. Now it'll get imported here, and you can select that MP3 file, then click on done, and I think you should be technically able to add it here. Yes, now it's added. You can see it right here, and if I play it, yeah, it actually plays. I don't know if you could hear it, but I could. So what you should do now is simply just click on this button right here to go to my songs. Now press and hold on that, I think, and click on share, then select ringtone. You can change the name of that ringtone, then click on export. Okay. No, okay, I understand. I forgot. I just added it, but didn't actually make it work. So let's go to. I think I had my song in downloads. Yeah. So let's go into that. Now I should start recording it for up to half a minute. And now it started recording itself, so I'm just gonna wait a moment until it records a certain point. And once you're done, just click on this pause button, stop button, and you can simply, now once it's recorded, once a part of that track is recorded, by the way, I think you can also cut it if you want. You can cut out the first part if it's like, you know, if you've recorded it too long or something, feel free to trim it however you like. Now you can go to actually this down arrow, click on my songs, and then I think you can press and hold, then click on share, ringtone, export, and click on Use Sound As. Then you can set it as standard ringtone, text tone, or assigned to a contact. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one, of course.